Good morning, everybody. You know, this is always a pleasure right here. What you don't know yet before I tell you, but this is a pleasure. This is a customer that beat this motor up for 8 or 9 years, brought it back to me and said, Doug, I love it. Redo this motor for me, give me a little more power. I made this thing look brand new again. We did choose some options, new valve covers, and went to the Holley system. I powder coated the intake to look at new, redone the block, put a forged rotating assembly in it, more camshaft in it, freshened it up, made it better, made 488 horsepower and still climbing, and made over 457 foot-pounds of torque. That's what I love. I love building each one, but it's even a better pleasure when I get to redo an old customer knowing that I took care of them the first time and I'm going to take care of them the second time. Hey, what do I say? The proof is always in the performance. What a way to start a Friday morning out. Peace. All right, Larry, good morning. Hey, you got 8 or 9 years out of the other rebuild. Now we rebuilt this one for you and it looks beautiful. It looks brand new again. And you're going to like, I think, what we're going to make on horsepower also. We did some changes and you got a real nice build here. Going to fire it up and give you a run demo. Fuel injected over carburetor is a good way to go too. All right. Real nice. Beautiful.